And hi out there everybody, Mark Mannering here from Class Training with another you know what, 3-minute tips and tricks, 3 tips in 3 minutes more or less. Although it's just going to be one big tip this time around, I thought with Christmas and all that coming up, we might have a look at the options you've got in emailing out to your customers, clients and so on with whatever Christmas announcements or goodwill wishes and all that. So we'll have a look at the options and let's get into it. So what I've got in my simple example here is I want to send an email to all my clients, customers or employees about a Christmas party coming up. And the 4 main options to do that, as you might know, is number 1, you could use your BCC section in Outlook or whatever email system you use so they don't see each other's email addresses, depending on who it's going to. And that's where you would say, hi all, how you going? Not a real good thing to do. The second option is that you might have your own CRM system where you can send out an email merge quite easily. The third option you've got is to use a paid subscription such as MailChimp or Campaign Monitor, which is what we use. And if you're not going to do all those 3, you've got the 4th option, which is to do your own email merge between Word or Publisher template and with Excel, holding all your names and addresses and email addresses and so on. And they combine together to go through Outlook to send all those emails individually to each person. Now, I wouldn't use that for thousands, hundreds of thousands of emails. You might get away with a maximum of, say, 400 or 500. It's hard to know or hard to find out what the maximum number is. So that's the example I'm going to use. Now, first of all, of course, you go into Word or Publisher and set up your template. Here's my template with some basic text. I've got my sign off. And down the bottom there, I've got sent to. I'll show you why I do that a little bit later. And this is going to merge with my names and email addresses and so on. I have those already set up in a spreadsheet. Now you can make up your own field names as you've got there in the first row, but just be careful or just note, be aware of what those headings are. So back to the template. Now the first big step is to connect your template from Word or Publisher to that Excel file. So we go up to Mailings here and we click, first of all, Start Mail Merge and set this template up as an email messages merge. Then we go to Select Recipients. Clicking that, now you can also call in your Outlook contacts, but I've got this Excel spreadsheet, so I click Use an existing list. Navigate to where the list is, there it is there, for email merge, double click. And you might see or you will see the sheets that are in that particular Excel spreadsheet. Mine's on a quote sheet, so I'm going to click that and OK. And this template is now connected to those email addresses. To check that, I'll go to the Mailings tab and Edit Recipient List. I don't want to edit, I just want to view it. Click there, and there are in my case, 4 records. Click OK. Now the next important step is to insert those mail merge fields. So I've got Dear here. I'm going to put the first name there. So I click after Dear, go to the Mailings tab and click Insert Merge Field, and there you are. You can see the row headings there. I'll click first. And there it is, so Dear first, that's the code. To do more, I just scroll down here. I like to have a little sent to section in the email itself, and I'll click underneath there and go to Mailings and insert the merge fields. I've got full name there, press enter, and put the other one there, which is just their email address. Just to show you more codes can go in. That's pretty much it. Now, before I send the bulk emails off, I like to preview the results. So on the Mailings tab, there's Preview Results here. We click that and it previews the first record. If I scroll down, Sent to, and her details are in there, and we can go to the next one. So just to scroll through the particular records to make sure they're all in the right spot. Now this is not the final document, this is the previewed template. So when I'm ready, I'll just turn that off. So I know I'm in the template, and then to actually send it off, those emails, we click Finish and Merge and Send Email Messages. There's the subject line. I can put in Christmas party invite or whatever. And now to actually send those emails off one at a time, so it won't be instant. It'll be sent through your Outlook client. So clicking OK, I would then go and have a cup of coffee. If you've got 400 or 500 going through your email system, it's not instantaneous, as I said. And we'll check those in a minute. The really good thing about using Publisher instead, it's the same basic steps, but with Publisher you can actually add attachments to the mail merge. So there's the screenshot of the similar box for actually sending the emails off, and you can put attachments there. Now, to check that all went out, I just go to my Outlook email, and there it is. And you can see in my case, the 4 emails that went out one by one to my recipients. And that's how the email looks, going to the Gmail address with all the details there. And there you go, some options for you for doing your email merging, and obviously the option you choose would depend on the example. If you've got any issues or queries and want to investigate further, just contact me, mark@classtraining.com.au. So finally, I'd just like to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and hope you get some time to share with special friends and family, and hopefully we'll see you again in 2025. Thanks for all your support and interest, and Mark Mannering signing off. Thanks again. Bye.